If you feel you wanna do it, you gotta step right into it. An advisor just gave my friend, hey. The line is different in my head. I'm a coward and I know it. In the corner, always playing it safe. Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down, and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking the new path now.
Good morning, guys. It's 10:08. I woke up at about, I don't know, 8 something this morning. Anyways, the vlog's up, so that's always good. A good way to start the day, get the vlog up. And all the cats are hungry, but unfortunately right now we do not have any cat food. So David needs to get up and go take Shadow to get her shots and go get some cat food.
Before I do that, I gotta catch the cat.
Well, you better get moving. It's 10 o'clock. They're only open till I think 12. No, I don't think so. I think it's 12.
On Saturdays, it's 3
We'll
o'clock.
find out.
Find out.
I'm about to right now.
I think it's either 9 to 3 or 10 to 3. And I know on Saturdays, it's closing at 2 o'clock. Because Walmart's so freaking far away. Hopefully Philo can catch my check. Yeah, that's good. I hear you.
10 to 3.
Oh, Jim.
Oh, it's Wednesday that they close it, not at noon.
I know. I ain't stupid.
Shut up, butthole. Anywho, I'm getting ready to watch the Toth family vlogs from yesterday and today. I see that she already put it up today, and it's really interesting. I had a really great conversation with her yesterday. It's nice meeting other vloggers so I can talk to them about like vlogging and stuff and just other things, and we had like a 2-hour conversation yesterday, so it's pretty awesome. You guys should definitely go check them out. I'm going to leave the link. I'm going to go ahead and put it in right here. So just click on the screen and it'll open it up another page and take you guys to their channel. So you should just definitely subscribe to them. But yeah, other than that, I'm just catching up on vlogs and listening to cats cry. I'm trying to get David to get up. Kizzy, tell your daddy to get up. To get up. To get up. Say it's morning. It's time to wake up. Well, then if you've got all that time, you need to go ahead and cash that check and go get cat food first.
Boy, I don't know what's annoying, you or the cats.
Both. You mean you don't know what one's more annoying? Me. Because you know I'm not going to leave you alone until you do it.
Then neither the cats.
Well, right now we're annoying you about the same thing.
Yeah, well, at least these ones are laying right next to me.
You tell him, Bo Gator. Say I'm hungry, damn it. Tell him.
Go home with the other cat. Go. Vamos. And you, go by your mouth. Cat.
That cat's over here. Little hussy. You little hussy. And you guys have already messed up the blinds. So that lasted, what, 2 weeks?
Give or take.
Mm-hmm.
We have, what, like 2 more now?
Yeah.
It should be good.
For a month and a half. Well, a month now. Dixie, stop scratching up that post. If only I believed in declawing cats. But I don't, unfortunately. Because that's like their only line of defense. Yes. And you hush. You hush it too, mister. We'll tell your dad to get off his butt.
I'm actually on my side, so.
Anywho. So that's all that's going on right now. I'm going to try to get David up. To go get some cat food so at least cats can be fed. Hey you guys, so I just got done watching the Toth family vlog from today. And I just wanted to put out there, let me go here, let's say you're a returning subscriber. Go to my channels tab and you'll see my other friends and our other channels right here, or our other channels are right here as well. But you guys can go ahead and subscribe to the Toth family and Living with the Rollerz. I really enjoy both of their vlogs. So I just wanted to share that with you guys while I was at the computer, because it took me a minute to remember how to add people to your list. But you see a lot of YouTubers do that to like their friends and stuff. But there are other people, I think, on my subscription list that I talk to, but not in the same way that I talk to those two. And not as often as I talk, or not as much as I watch their videos and stuff. But yeah, David went to cash his check from Papa John's and to get cat food and stuff, so we can feed these babies. All these babies. I'm baby. Are you my babies? They're like all over here. There's Minnie and Coda and Dixie and Bo and Liberty, and we're just missing two, which are over here on the floor messing with each other. My husband and his leaving his pants on the floor. Sometimes, you know, I just want to punch him in the nose. So, but that's how things go, huh, Bo? Oh, Liberty. Liberty, you're so pretty. You're so pretty, yeah. Oh, mamas. Give everybody kisses. She's like, no thank you, I'm good. Can't nobody ever see you, you're so black. There we go. That's her pretty little face. Look at all that hair. You must be shedding. Her shedding. Say, I'm shedding. And then we got Miss Hussy over there, making all kinds of noise because she's in heat. I'm telling you, she's going to drive me nuts before she goes out of heat. And I think they are in heat for a week to 2 weeks. Or something like that. So, it's going to be a long while. I get you. Here I come. Here I come. I get you. I get you. Oh no. Here I come. I get you. I get you. I get you.
What is black that she got? On the floor, something black. Y'all see it?
I don't know. I get you.
Make sure she's not peeing out of her diaper.
Yeah, that might be it. Yeah, because her leg is wet. Hey, you guys, so it is 3:24, and somebody just woke up from a nap, but look at this hairdo, yo. Look at that glorious cockatoo hairstyle she's got going on from her nap. Was that a good nap? You got some cocked up hair. And kiss. Kisses. Yeah, so she got a nap. And you've got stuff all over your face. Ew, she just farted. Ew! Ew! Ew, her just pooted. Did you just poot?
You ready to go bye-bye?
You can go bye-bye. You can go swimming. You can go swimming. She's like, I'm still sleepy. That was the cutest hairstyle. Yeah. Hey, you can go bye-bye? You go bye-bye? I get her. I gets her. I gets her. Kiss. Anyways, I'm just watching Colin and Katie's vlog for today. And Arabella now has the camera in her hand because I'm trying to put what I set the camera on together, and it's not really. You guys, sorry, the batteries died, and David's back, and he brought dun dun dun.
No, I didn't.
Dunkin' Donuts. And the reason that we go to Dunkin' Donuts all the time, like when we get donuts, is because they have maple donuts.
No,
It's all foggy. So we've got maple, and I think that's an Oreo one, and then strawberry sprinkles, vanilla with sprinkles, plain chocolate, and something that has filling in it. Bavarian. But I am obsessed with maple donuts.
Well, they don't have the eclairs, so that's what you're obsessed with.
The what?
The eclairs. The ones you were telling me about, that it was the long donuts with maple on top of it.
Yeah, but they don't have anything in it.
That's what I'm saying. They're
Oh.
considered an eclair. Just for that fill.
Yeah. Anyways, my love for maple donuts goes back to elementary school in Utah. Like on holidays and birthdays and stuff. And people would bring donuts in. And maple was seriously like the first thing gone. But anyways, people would bring donuts in from like Albertsons, the grocery store, or Smith's. And they were always bars. Not little circle donuts. They were bars. And they were just like these. There was no filling or anything. They were bar donuts with maple frosting, and they're so good. And we're not a big fan of Krispy Kreme because Krispy Kreme doesn't have varieties.
I mean, they do. I just don't like what they got.
Their varieties are very plain. And Dunkin' Donuts always has weird ones.
Yeah.
Like the Oreo one.
That's actually pretty good.
I mean weird, like as in, like you can't find them anywhere else.
I mean, you probably
Except like the specialty donut shops.
I mean, those are probably one of those things you can special order them, but you have to call in advance to take food on that.
But didn't they have like peanut butter ones one time? Like Reese's ones?
If they did, it was probably one of those Valentine's Day.
I remember for my birthday one year, was it Valentine's Day?
Probably both.
He bought me like makeup, donuts, a heart. No, it was Valentine's Day. I got donuts, makeup, and a heart pillow.
That was that first Valentine.
Mhm. And I ain't got nothing like that since then.
Yeah. Get over it.
So, yay for Dunkin' Donuts. Last time I got donuts, they didn't have any maple, so me and Desiree were very sad. Now she's gonna come home and eat all mine. But yeah. What?
Huh? Oh, I finally got the 30-day
Statement?
yeah, not from the bank, but from actual Papa John's.
Mm-hmm.
So we can use that. We just need to get your driver's license updated.
Look at that. Oh. A title man. That's so cute. Anyways. So our neighbors over there are moving. From what my neighbors next door said. And plus, they're taking all their stuff out. And loading it, moving it. But anyways, I'm just sitting here watching YouTube videos and stuff. I'm starting to get a headache. I don't know why either. But anyways, Desiree went to go take Arabella to her friends, and then she's coming back and getting ready for her date. Hey you guys, so it's 6:02. David is at work. Desiree is on her date, and my brother and niece are upstairs. I'm just watching that 70s show on my phone, laying down with the cats. As you can see, they're all just laying on the bed. I went ahead and gave myself a manicure. I basically just got rid of my cuticles, filed them down a little bit, and put my nail teaks on them. And I put the growth serum stuff that I use to get them to grow underneath them and then around the cuticles. So I was gonna paint them, but I'm like, in like a couple more days I've got to redo it all, like wipe it off and put more stuff on it. So I was like, screw it, I'll just leave them naked. It's good for him to breathe anyways. But I was looking for my Burt's Bees cuticle cream like a month ago and I can't find it anywhere. So I asked David if when he got off if he could pick me up some and some more nail polish remover. And I told him he needed to pick himself up a wallet because his wallet is like practically falling apart. And I was like, you go to Walmart quite often. I was like, why don't you ever get a wallet? And he's like, I never remembered to. I'm like, okay. But he had to get like toilet paper and paper towels and a toothbrush holder and stuff. So he wanted me to send him a list, so I put a wallet on there. So hopefully he buys a wallet. Because, yeah. He needs to get a wallet. So. But yeah. Nothing else is pretty much going on. Just hanging out with the kitties. And Shadow got her shots today. So I think she's being super sleepy because of her shots. Oh. Oh, Shadow. My little Shadow. My little skinny Shadow. So we found out it's going to cost $60 to fix her. So, next chance we get, she will be getting fixed. But we have to wait till she's out of heat. Because they don't like to fix them when they're in heat, or it's harder to fix them when they're in heat. Stop it. I'm not exactly sure what, but it normally either costs more or they won't do it at all. So as soon as she's out, we should have the money. So we'll just go ahead and get her fixed then. Huh. Hi, Shadow. Oh. Poor baby. Poor baby. Yeah. And, it's funny. A vet told me that cats actually do not like to go into heat. But they kind of have no choice. It's kind of like us, you know, with our monthly menstruals. we don't like them, but it's just a fact of life. So it's kind of like how they are. But they become very, very, very annoying when they're in heat. And they cry and rub on things. Yeah. Where's my baby? Where's my baby? So yeah. But that's all that's going on right now. So, hey you guys, so it's 3:40 in the morning. I fell asleep watching that 70s show. And with the way I've been feeling, I'm just like, if I'm gonna fall asleep, I'm just gonna let myself sleep. Like, that's just all there is to it. But, David is still not home. David had to run to Walmart after he got off, and he went to multiple different Walmarts, to find, I don't remember what it was, but something, and he couldn't find it. Anyways, he's at a different Walmart, in North Charleston, looking for it. I'm pretty sure he's checked out by now, but he should be on his way home soon. But that's where he is. Desiree, I have no clue where she is. She's probably stayed the night at her friend's house that has Arabella. And yeah, but I just wanted to jump on here and end the vlog so I could go ahead and edit it, so it can go up today. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Mwah.
If you feel you wanna do it, you gotta step right into it. An advisor just gave my friend